If you're scrolling on social media, there is a high probability that you are going to come across videos like this on TikTok, Instagram, or even for ads. And the craziest part is that you might not even know that they are not real people. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how creators are making this kind of AI influencers and how you can build one for yourself.
You guys, I think I finally found the perfect brown bag. The quality is amazing, the color is absolutely beautiful, and honestly, it matches almost every outfit in my wardrobe. I'm completely obsessed with it. I wasn't expecting to love this fragrance this much. The scent feels so luxurious. It lasts for hours without being overpowering single day.
That's the kind of content I'll be breaking down for you in this video. I will walk you through the step-by-step on how to build AI influencers that looks like real people. Not just only that, I'll also give you all the prompts I used so you can go and create at your own pace. Now let's get into it. The first step to take when trying to build an AI influencer is to create an avatar. I will be using free AI tools to teach you the whole process. To create your avatar, go to Nano Banana on Google Flow. Make sure you set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and also choose the number of outputs you want. For this tutorial, I will select 4 so I can easily pick the one that perfectly fits into the kind of avatar I want to create. By the way, if you don't know how to access Nano Banana on this platform, just go to your browser and search for Google Flow. Click on the first result on your screen. Sign in with your Gmail to start creating your project. The final part is to paste the prompt you want to use to create your avatar. When you see the result, choose the image that the skin looks the most real. For me, I'll be selecting this. She's a 25-year-old African lady with deep dark brown skin, with expressive almond-shaped brown eyes, fully glossy lips, perfectly shaped eyebrow, and smooth glowing skin. She has long sleek jet black hairstyle. She also has natural skin texture with visible pores and subtle freckles spots across her cheeks and nose. If none of the images looks natural, you can always try and regenerate another images. If the skin look too smooth, just make sure you add natural skin texture to your prompt to preserve skin details and prevent the avatar from looking like a plastic image. Now that the avatar is ready, it is time to make her feel like an actual person with an actual life. The first content I'm going to create with it is a lifestyle content. Let's have a glimpse of her daily routine. To do this, go back to Google Flow, upload your avatar and paste the prompt for the video. The prompt says, she's jogging in a quiet city in bright daylight, wearing an oversized sunglasses and wireless over-ear headphones. She's looking towards the camera with focused expression. Her dialogue is, one thing I've learned is that some of your best ideas come when you are out for a run. That's why I never skip my morning jog. I'll change the settings to video generation. Make sure you are on ingredient to video. Select your aspect ratio and the number of outputs per video. For this video, I will select one output so as not to burn too much credit. Select Omni Flash as your video generation model and choose your video duration. Let's go ahead and generate this.
One thing I've learned is that some of your best ideas come when you're out for a run. That's why I never skip my morning jog.
Watch how she walks naturally, showing that she's filming herself with a phone in her hand. See the cars and the house in the background, everything feels natural and perfect. By the way, if you watch this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go and do that now. These are the kinds of tutorials I make here. I show creators how to make amazing videos with AI. If this is something you are interested in, subscribe and turn on the notification so you won't miss out anytime I drop a new video. Now let's have more fun with this avatar. I will use that to create a product advert video. To do this, the first thing you need to do is to have a clean image of the product. Go back to Google Flow, describe the product you want to generate. A premium studio product photo of a luxurious brown leather handbag with a sleek rounded design placed on a minimalist pedestal in a professional studio setting. Warm beige background with dramatic spotlights shining diagonally from above. Soft shadows, elegant luxury brand aesthetics, realistic leather texture, high-end fashion products photography. Change your settings to image generation. Make sure you choose 16:9 as your aspect ratio. Select the number of outputs and pick Nano Banana 2 as your model. Let me generate this. This is the product image I selected from the 4 outputs, and this is what the AI influencer will be holding in her hand and talk about naturally in the next video generation. The next thing is to go to Google Flow, upload your avatar and the product, and paste your prompt. The avatar is standing in front of a bedroom mirror in soft morning sunlight, wearing a stylish casual outfit, holding a luxury brown leather handbag. She's smiling naturally while admiring the bag. The video is filmed in a handheld phone selfie style. In the dialogue, she said, "You guys, I think I finally found the perfect brown bag. The quality is amazing, the color is absolutely beautiful, and honestly it matches almost every outfit in my wardrobe. I'm completely obsessed with it."
You guys, I think I finally found the perfect brown bag. The quality is amazing, the color is absolutely beautiful, and honestly it matches almost every outfit in my wardrobe. I'm completely obsessed with it.
Sincerely speaking, the result is amazing, right from the dialogue to the background, which shows that she's inside her bedroom as it was stated in the prompt, to the movement in the video as the avatar was moving in front of the mirror. The movement actually shows that it was filmed in a handheld phone. Everything in the video feels natural. Mind you might not get the best result in the first attempt. You can always retry and tweak your prompt to get the result you want. For example, I got the perfect video the second time, and this is how the first clips look like. You can see that there's an error after she removed her hand from the phone. It feels like there's an invisible hand holding the phone in the scene. By the way, if you need all the prompts I use in this video, go and check the link in the description. And if you are enjoying this video, smash the like button, share this video, and drop a comment. You can also use the comment section to demand for the kind of tutorial you want me to make next. The third video I'm going to create with the avatar is a walking talk video, where she carries the product in her hand and talks about it while walking on the streets during golden hour. She's wearing a denim on denim outfit consisting of a fitted blue denim jacket and matching blue jeans. She talks about the product as if it is a real product that has actually become part of her daily life.
Okay, can we take a moment to appreciate this bag? I've been carrying it everywhere lately, and honestly, it just elevates every outfit. The brown leather is so classy, it's super practical, and I've gotten...
So far, I have an AI influencer and I've used her to create 3 videos with different activities. One where she was performing a morning jog, second while in her bedroom talking about the new bag, and third while she was taking the bag to work. You can easily create this with a different product at your own pace. Building an AI influencer is way too easy and take less time. To see how fast the process I teach you is, I will quickly use that to sell a perfume product. On Nano Banana, I generated an image of luxury perfume product with elegant glass perfume bottle with golden accents placed on a reflective surface, and here is the result. Like the way I did the other time, I will upload the avatar and the new product image. But this time she's sitting in a luxurious bedroom, wearing a satin robe. She's holding the perfume. Warm golden evening light streams through the window. It's generated this.
I wasn't expecting to love this fragrance this much. The scent feels so luxurious. It lasts for hours without being overpowering single day.
In this video, I've taught you how to build an AI influencer from scratch and also created 4 videos with it. 1 influencer, completely different campaigns, and 2 different products, all done under a few minutes. If you need all the prompts I use, check the link in the description. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification. My name is Ismail, and I will see you in the next video.